Welcome to Gripo, your powerful platform for managing Kubernetes across multi-cloud providers like Amazon, Google, Azure, DigitalOcean, and Linode, all in one place. We know how time-consuming it can be to search for Helm charts and repositories online. Switching tabs, copying URLs, and jumping between tools break your flow, so we built a better way. Introducing our brand new integration with Artifact Hub. Now, you can fetch and deploy applications directly from Artifact Hub right inside Gripo. To see Artifact Hub in action, make sure you have a running cluster ready. As you can see, there's no repository for OpenCost in the Manage Repos section. Let's add one. Go to the Application section and click on Artifact. A new window appears with a search bar. Just type OpenCost. Click on the chart you want to use. Gripo will automatically fetch the repository URLs for you. No need to manually search or copy URLs. Just click Add to Gripo and the repository is added. Now let's deploy OpenCost. Go to the Helm Application section. Select the cluster where you want to deploy OpenCost. Type OpenCost in the search bar. The application will now appear in the app catalog. Click on the Install button. You can rename the application. Select the version. Click Deploy. A confirmation window will appear. And just like that, OpenCost is deployed to your cluster. Inside the application view, you can see the deployed values, manifests, value differences, and recent events, all in one place. To verify that OpenCost is successfully deployed, navigate to all clusters. Click the cluster name, then open the application section. And there it is, OpenCost is listed, confirming it's live in your Kubernetes cluster. With Gripo's seamless integration with Artifact Hub, you no longer need to search the internet for Helm charts URLs, copy repository links, or switch between tabs. Everything you need from discovery to deployment is now in one place. Gripo saves you time, reduces manual efforts, and eliminates the headache of searching for the right repositories. Just search, click, and deploy. That's the power of smart Kubernetes management. That's the power of Gripo. Thanks for watching Gripo.